Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I have something different for you guys. I have a dessert mukbang, a sweets mukbang. So I'm really excited because I've never done a dessert mukbang before. I've never done one before, have I? Or have I not? I don't know. So what I have today, this is a Oreo cupcake. Look at the size of that. And then I have a giant custard pastry. And the wrapper's still here. So I'm obviously not going to eat all this today because I will literally be sick. So I'm going to get into it. I don't know if it's a bit hard. Let me try it. Oh, God. Well, I've done a thumbnail. I'm excited. Oh, wow. Very sticky. Got some water as well. Oh, I don't know about you, but sweet things make me really thirsty. Oh, this is so good. So it's basically a sponge cake with an Oreo at the top, which has gone really, really soft. And some icing. Oh. That is so good. Let's try this Danish. I'm going to cut it in half because I basically can't eat all this. I love custard. I love anything custardy. So this is, oh wow, look at that. This is amazing. I'm not even speaking for some stuff. I just love sweet things, guys. Packed with calories, though. Oh, wow. That's my favourite. So these pies, these pastries are from the Yorkshire show. They're so good. I'm going to go into a sweet coma after this, I just know it. So, we got these a couple of days ago from the food hall inside. And they're just so good, aren't they? This is a bit dry, guys. Is it a muffin? Oh, it's got like a muffin thing at the top, at the bottom. they had all sorts of cakes. They had Ferrero Rocher ones, Maltesers, I think. Amazing. Because I'm a soldier girl. Mm-hmm. I've been listening to Whitney Houston lately. I don't know why. I mean, she's a legend. This pastry's lovely. Oh! And it's so tragic that she passed away. I wish I kind of listened to her more when she was alive, but she died in 2012, and how old was I? 7 years ago she died? I was 21, and I was listening to music, but I was going through a bit of a fuck you stage to everyone, so I want to be in tune with her. And she's got a song on her album. I think it's called which album is it? The last one that she did. It's called Salute. And oh god, I wish I could play it for you guys. Alexa, play Salute. Oh, it's not even plugged in. Fucking idiot. Chicken parmesan and heartbreak. You all said my singing was really, really good. It's not my proper, this isn't my proper singing. I can't actually properly sing. That's dry. Oh my god. That was dry. Dry as a bone, motherfucker. So guys, I think that is me done. I'm gonna go collapse in the corner now. Run around the field for 12 hours because I've got a sugar rush. I'm joking. Thank you so much for watching my video. Oh, cause you know when you just have so much sugar, like, I haven't eaten anything before this, and it's gone to my head. And when you have so much sugar, you just literally want to crash. Look at that. Yummy. I love the buttercream, it's gorgeous. Right, guys. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. What's your favourite pastry? I quite like custard donuts, I like. But I'm kind of much more of a savoury person. Give me a cheese onion pastry and I will be your best friend, I'm telling you. So good. Right, I'll see you in my next video, guys. Thank you for watching.